Good day, grade 7 students. I have here an example of our distance and displacement problem. Okay, on his way to school, Jed traveled 100 meters north and 300 meters east, 100 meters north, 100 meters east, and 100 meters north. So as you can see, this lines or this path is the total distance traveled by Jed. So we can now compute for the total displacement. So how to compute the total displacement? Okay, that is mm, you are going to add the total distance traveled. So at first, Jed traveled 100 meters north. So that is distance 1. And then he traveled 300 meters east. So that is distance 2. And then he traveled 100 meters north. Another distance traveled. And then he traveled again to 100 meters east. So that is another distance. And then he traveled another distance, that is the last one, 100 meters north. So if you're going to total it, that results to the total displacement. Okay, so I think this would be a clue for letter A. All right. Okay, let's go for letter B. What is now the total displacement? Okay, for letter B, the total displacement will be computed from the starting point. We are going to total the length of this side of the right triangle, and then we are going to total the length of this side of the right triangle. So we are going to capture um, right triangle shape. Okay, so let us put the right triangle example. Let's try to put it here. Example. Okay, this serves as our right triangle, right? Okay, so out from that right triangle, we can now total this length. As you can see, this part here to here is equivalent to 300. Tama? And from here to here is equivalent to 100. Therefore, we can add now 300 meters or distance 1 plus distance 2. Now, we can have 300 meters plus 100 meters, right? Okay, so that would serve as the length of the base of the right triangle. Next, let's go for the altitude of the right triangle. How to total? So the total of this, or the total of the measure of this side of the right triangle is 100. Okay, this one until here. And then let's continue another 100 this one, okay, and then another 100 because of this. So we have three um, 100s, I think. So distance 1 plus distance 2 plus distance 3 is equivalent to ilaman. 100 plus 100 plus 100, 100 plus 100 plus 100. So we will have, okay. So after this, you will now be able to total this one. After you total, after the sum of the distances of the base, the B, and the A, the altitude, you can now use the formula C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. Okay, so you can now substitute the values for the A, the values for the B, and then square it, and then it will result to C. So again, thank you so much for listening, and God bless.